Hi, this is Tyler Wright from Carbonfi. I'm really excited about a new design that I'm going to show you today. It involves three different really cool materials. One is a white glow swirled with black resin, and then on the inside we have carbon fiber to provide strength and coolness. And on the other we have the exact same material, but we cut it a little different, and then we added fire glow stripes. So we hope you like what we make, and if you have any questions, drop it below. Thanks.
Here we have the materials that we're going to be working with today. We're going to start off with some carbon fiber. This is carbon fiber directly off of spaceship cutoffs. We get this from a spaceship company that I'm not allowed to disclose the name of, but it is used to develop the spaceship hull. This is the glow swirl that we're going to be using for the Delirium and the Delirium Balanced. This is white glow swirled with black resin to create that unique pattern and appearance. So we're going to use 2 blanks of this to create 2 rings. This is the fire glow that we're going to be using. It is red during the day and then glows orange-red in the dark. So the first step to making the ring is we set the carbon fiber directly on a drill press, and we use diamond hole saws to drill out an inside and outside cut as close to the ring size as we possibly can go. Now that we have the blanks cut, we need to size and shape the glow swirl, the Delirium portion of the ring. And so this is where we're going to shave down the outside of the first ring and make it pair with the carbon fiber for the 2-part ring. And then for the other one, for the balanced version, we actually need to groove the edges, and we are going to build the ring around the grooves that we create. Now the next step is we need to get the carbon fiber to fit with the glow swirl. So what we're going to do is we're going to clean up the edges, size the inside, and make it so it sleeves right over the glow swirl perfectly to get ready to be bonded and then cured in the oven. Okay, so now that we have all the pieces cut, you can kind of see this thing coming together, and this is where it starts to get exciting. So we're going to do a quick test fit, and once we know for a fact that these all fit together pretty nicely, we're going to clean them up, and then we're going to go use a high strength epoxy to bond them together, put them in the oven and cure the epoxy, and then do a post cure on it so that it is permanently bonded forever, so they never ever come apart. Ever. Alright, now that we have the rings bonded together and they're starting to look like an actual ring, we're going to clean them up. This is where we start with the exterior of the ring. What we're doing right now is we're just facing the ring, making it nice and clean edges and getting the width perfect. Then we're going to clean out the edges and sand and polish, and we're going to have a nice looking exterior. Now the Delirium balance ring is a little bit different, and it's a little tricky. We have to take a little bit longer of time and make sure that our cuts are precise and everything is perfect. Otherwise this thing comes out lopsided and kind of weird looking. So we're going to take a little extra time shaving down and facing the edges and doing the exterior to make sure that everything comes out perfect, perfect, perfect. Now that we've sanded and sized the inside of this ring, we're now going to flip it around and do the other side and sand and polish so that they are comfortable to wear, they are perfectly sized, and they are very smooth on the inside so it feels good on your finger. Alright, so we've officially finished the first ever Delirium ring and Delirium balanced ring. These rings are super unique because they use white glow mixed with black resin swirled together to give it that unique pattern, carbon fiber, because of course we use carbon fiber for everything, and then the balanced ring has 2 fire glow stripes. You actually get to customize which color glow you want in there. We just used the fire glow because we thought the contrast was really pretty. At the end of this video, we're going to have a discount code, so if you'd like to order one and you've watched this video, we're going to give you a special code that's going to pop up, and you can go to www.carbonfi.com to order. They're under the limited editions collection because these are a limited edition offering. We only have so much of that white glow swirl material, so once we're sold out, but they will be there until they're gone.